How's it going today, everybody, and welcome back. So I got a call last night that customer replaced the batteries in this floor scrubber, and after it wouldn't start. So I come out, take a look at it. Yeah, the batteries are all good. They're new. It's got full battery voltage. Checked all the connections. Everything's clean and tight. But just wouldn't start. So I start checking the wiring. So I had battery voltage to the supply wire. Follow that down. It goes to the solenoids. Everything works there. And if you look at the wiring diagram, it goes from the batteries to the ignition fuse. So you check for power to and from the fuse. It was good. But there was no power at the ignition switch. So what's good on these is they mark the circuit numbers on the wiring, so it makes tracing a lot easier. So trace that wire back. It comes up to these blue and yellow wires. If you follow that, it goes back into the battery box, up to this micro switch where the charger hooks up. What this is for is it'll prevent you from starting it while the charger's plugged in, to prevent voltage surges and from starting up and driving and pulling the thing out of the wall. They mark the wires, but when you test the switch, there was no continuity, either on or off. But there's 3 terminals on the switch, if you can see closely. There, and on the end here. You take these off. And test the switch. When the charger's unplugged, you have continuity between these two, so the power will flow through. But when you push the switch in, it cuts it off. So if you put it to these two, and test it, you've got battery voltage. And it works just fine. So it just shows that every fix isn't new parts or computer modules or whatever. Sometimes you just gotta take a little time, especially when people have been in it before you. Double check their work. You know, it's not being careless, it's just an honest mistake sometimes, like this case. So good for the customer, it's not costing them any more money. Well, that's it for today. So if you liked the video, hammer that like button and torque that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.